Today we are going to see how you can create a certificate design. Let's say you want to create a certificate where you can add your business logo, your content, and you can have any name here to whom you want to give the certificate. And we are going to do this using a platform called Canva, where we have ready-made designs for certificates like this. To create a certificate, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to choose a template for your certificate. So all you need to do is search for certificate and select the design you want. Now the second step is to edit this design. Now let's say you want to add your logo to the certificate like this. To add your logo, just click Upload Files. Now select your logo and click Open. To add it to our certificate, just drag and drop it here. And finally, let's go to step 3, which is to download the certificate. So to download it, click Share, then click Download, and again click Download. Now as you can see, our certificate has been downloaded. To watch the full video, click the link in the description.